Hi guys, good evening. So today I'm going to share with you how to cook simple banana bread with blueberry, dried blueberry. So this is my egg, 2 eggs with a little bit of sugar only. And this is the fresh milk. And this is the mashed banana. And this is butter. And this is the flour, together with baking flour and a little bit of 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So now we need to mix the egg, beaten the egg, and pour out the flour. 2 cups of flour. This is my baking pan. Then need to mix together. Mix together. Then pour out the milk slowly until the mixture is it. You need to mix. See guys, you need to mix it. Let's pour a little bit of water. So this is the butter, guys, of the banana bread. Now let's pour out the mashed banana. Butter. And add the butter. This is all organic, guys. No preservative. Everything is organic. Then let's pour out a little bit of pandan, guys. Little bit only, guys. A little bit pandan only, guys. Make it colorful. It's yummy, guys. Little bit only, guys. You see? Colorful, and it's very flavory. This smell pandan, guys. My banana pandan, guys. This is the butter, guys, of the banana pandan. Fresh banana pandan.